Since you have found your way here, I am sure you have been wondering how one can trade the financial markets. The answer is straightforward. Buy low, sell high. As simple as that. Now, of course, more questions may arise. What is the best price to buy? What should I buy? After I bought, what is the best price to sell to book my profits? And of course, what if the market goes against me? What should I do? Well, there are two schools of trading the financial markets: the fundamental analysis approach and the technical analysis approach. Of course, you can combine the two and create a third approach, the combination of fundamentals and technicals. I have to admit that both fundamental analysis and technical analysis attempt to identify the direction of the market. At the same time, they boast several advantages and suffer from some disadvantages or criticism, if you prefer. Which method I prefer? Follow me to find out.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.